Boys trip underway. I gotta document everything.
What were you zooming in?
Document my poison ivy. Very white feet.
September
Hey,
7th,
come on.
2019.
Good, Axe. Good. Tally ho! Ahoy, matey.
Ahoy!
Just probably want to go to the left side of these rapids. Oh yeah, we're moving now. Stay. Hey, some dicks. Yeah, I think right was a good call here. There's a deer. But camping on a sandbar like this is gonna be so sweet. We can get some rapids nearby for some white noise. Yeah, do we want to stay right all the way? Take a little weight out. Maybe. No, maybe left was the way to go.
You good, Axe?
Stay, Axe. Stay. I don't know, he's real worried about you, Caleb. Little puppy break. Come on, you're looking solid.
Smells like raccoons.
Caleb, how you feeling?
Oh, that string on your right side there lifts and lowers the keel. So if it drops down,
To help you go straighter.
helps you go straight.
Just paddling away. Huh, Axe? Hey, little stinker. We got some cows! He's done pretty good now that he's sitting on the cooler.
Those are 2 of the 47 uses.
Mm-hmm. Hey, buddy. After lunch, back on the river. What do you think, Dad? Just like Caleb do all the paddling. Paddle away, bro. Camp for the night. Hold it for you. Gotta take contacts out. Time to make the steak hobo meals. Living down by the river. Good boy, Axe. Got mine on. Roasting it up, making it. Supper time. Hobo meals.
I'm a hobo.
As the sun is setting. Got my s'more. Down. Lay down. Oh, hey, Axel. Good morning.
Hey, leave it.
Love eating.
Never mind.
He does like eating rocks, though, right? Axel. Made it to Highway 44. You are committed to it.
I can chase you down because I can last longer.